Here comes Mark. Hi, Mark! He was in the laundry room. Now he thinks he's going to go to the restroom. Get out here! He'll be 8 months old soon, in just a couple days. Yay! Mark's sitting up. Oh, off he goes. Back to the laundry. Mark, those are Mama's shoes. Mark. Yes, that's our pile of laundry. Hey. What do you think you're going to do? Mark. Mark! You do not need those dirty shoes. Hey. That's the dryer. No. Hey, Mark. You're just like Ivy. Trying to get into everything. Mark, can I bribe you out here with these shoes? Mark! Mark! Put these over here and see if you come get them. And put them right there. Mark! Hey! Oh my. Oh my. Are you okay? Oh. Come on. No, you don't need Daddy's dirty pants. Okay. Mark, out here. There's so many great things out here. Besides the dirty laundry. Oh, that's your puppy dog. She's out here. Abby, what's he doing? Are you sorting the laundry? Mark. Mark. Mark, Ivy's bringing you a toy. Hey, Mark. Okay, you certainly don't need to eat. Come on. There you go. Okay. Mark. Hey. You don't need that. No, you don't need Ivy's toy. I've got my hands full here. Huh. You guys gonna keep me busy? Okay. Mark. Mark. Can you say bye-bye? Can you wave? No? You can do it. Can you wave? Can you wave, Mark? Okay. Bye.